Dear students, we are continuing the GP, geometrical progression. Today we will get these problems solved. Try to follow me. The first problem is that which term of the GP minus 10 5 by root 3 minus 5 by 6 is 5 by 72. We have to find the number of terms in which it is minus 5 by 72. The first term given, that is minus 10, and let the common ratio how much it is second term divided by first term, that is 1 by minus 2 root 3. Let nth term be minus 5 by 72, that is nth term equal to minus 10 into r. R is the common ratio, n minus 1. Therefore minus 10 into common ratio is 1 by minus 2 root 3 to the power n minus 1 equal to minus 5 by 72, and after calculation we are getting that n equal to 4 plus 1, that is 5. So this minus 5 by 72 is the fifth term of this GP. This is answer. The second problem, the fifth term of a GP is 81 and its second term is 24. Find the geometric progression. We have to find the geometric progression. Here it is given fifth term 81 and second term 24. Let first term A, in every sum when you can take A as first term and common ratio R. Therefore fifth term, that is first term A into R to the power 4 equal to 81, therefore AR, and second term AR equal to 24. Dividing these two, fifth term by second term, it is 27 by 8, or after cancelling we are getting that R equal to 3 by 2. R equal to 3 by 2. Again this is AR, that is second term is 24, therefore A into 3 by 2 equal to 24, therefore A equal to 16. Therefore first term is 16 and second term equal to 24 it is given, third term equal to 16, first term into common ratio to the power 2, that is 36, and fourth term is 54, fifth term is 81 and sixth term is 121 and half. So the GP equal to 16, 24, 36, 54, 81, and even you can take this 181, 121 and a half. This you may take. Next, third problem is given that fourth and seventh terms of a GP are 1 by 8 and minus 1 by 486. Fourth term and seventh term respectively. Find the GP. The first term is unit and the common ratio equal to R. Therefore seventh term by fourth term, dividing this we are getting that R cube equal to minus 1 by 27. Therefore R equal to minus 1 by 3. But this is fourth term, that is AR cube equal to 1 by 18 it is given. Therefore A 1 by 3 cube equal to 18. Therefore first term, that is first term of the GP equal to minus 3 by 2. First term equal to minus 3 by 2. And second term is minus 3 by 2 into the R. R equal to 1 by R equal to minus 1 by 3. Multiplying this we are getting second term equal to half. Similarly third term is minus 1 by 6. This is the GP. So GP equal to minus 3 by 2 half minus 1 by 6 this. Next, problem number 4. The product of third and the eighth term of a GP is 243. This is product. If the fourth term is 3, find the seventh term. Let the first term be A and common ratio be R. Therefore, eighth term into third term by fourth term equal to, that is A to the A R to the power 6 equal to 18. Again, fourth term equal to A R cube equal to 3. Therefore, A equal to 3 by R cube. And this is A R to the power 6. A R to the power 6 equal to 81. Therefore, A equal to R by 3 by R cube. 3 by R cube. A equal to this. We are putting in number 2. We are getting that R cube equal to 3 cube. Therefore, R equal to 3. Therefore, fourth term, that is A R cube is equal to 3. Therefore, A 3 cube equal to 3. Therefore, A equal to 1 by 9. The first term equal to 1 by 9. Therefore, seventh term equal to A R to the power 6. That is first term into 3 to the power 6. That is 81. So, the seventh term is 81. Today, you have got 4 problems solved. Follow me, you will get more and more day after day. That's all today.